Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Winthrop Harbor to Northerly Island, open waters from Winthrop Harbor to Michigan City out to mid-lake until 8:15 p.m. At 6:49 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Wilmette Harbor, moving northeast at 45 knots. Hazard: wind gusts in excess of 50 knots and small hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: boats could suffer significant structural damage in high winds. Small craft could capsize in suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Wilmette Harbor. The following is a flood advisory.